Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 5 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 3, Our Wonderful World. Lesson 8. Please open your skills book to page 28. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 3, Our Wonderful World. Lesson 8. Skills book pages 28 and 29. Activities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The aims. In this lesson, students will identify different information in a paragraph. Read and discuss a fact file. Write sentences using information from a fact file. Use sentences to build and write a paragraph. Let's go to page 28 of your skills book. Unit 3, Writing section. Activity 1. Think and speak. Discuss the question in groups. Can you name any famous mountains, rivers, buildings, deserts, waterfalls? You are asked to discuss this question in your group at school. Can you answer this question? Can you name any famous mountains? Yes, Jabal Shams, Jabal Akhdar, Mount Fuji, Mount Kilimanjaro, and so on. Can you name any famous rivers? Yes, the River Nile, the Congo, River Seine in France, and so on. Can you name any famous buildings? Can you name any famous deserts? Can you name any famous waterfalls? Yes, let's go to activity 2. Read and speak. Read Dana's description of 2 mountains in Oman. Discuss the questions in pairs. 1. Which 2 mountains did Dana write about? 2. Which mountain is higher? 3. Which mountain is closer to Muscat? Mountains in Oman. Jabal Shams and Jabal Akhdar are 2 famous mountains in Oman. Jabal Shams is 243 kilometers from Muscat. Jabal Shams means mountain of the sun. Tourists like to visit Jabal Shams and camp on the mountain. Jabal Akhdar is 185 kilometers from Muscat. Jabal Akhdar means green mountain. Farmers grow roses and fruit on Jabal Akhdar. Jabal Shams is 3028 meters high. Jabal Akhdar is 1079 meters high. Jabal Shams is higher than Jabal Akhdar. It is the highest mountain in Oman. Dear students, take your time to answer these questions, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll write the answers in order to check yours. Yes, which 2 mountains did Dana write about? Excellent. Jabal Shams and Jabal Akhdar. Which mountain is higher? Excellent. Jabal Shams is higher than Jabal Akhdar. Which mountain is closer to Muscat? Excellent. Jabal Akhdar is closer to Muscat. Thank you. Dear students, have you ever visited any famous places, any famous mountains, any famous rivers, any famous buildings, any famous deserts, any famous waterfalls in Oman or outside Oman? If you have visited any of these places, try to tell the class about it. Let's go to activity 3. Read and order. Read the text from activity 2 again. Order the information included in the text. You are asked here to order the information included in this text. Yes, Jabal Akhdar's location, concluding sentence. Jabal Shams height. Interesting facts about Jabal Shams. Interesting facts about Jabal Akhdar. Jabal Shams location. Jabal Akhdar's height. Topic sentence. These are the features of this paragraph, and you've studied that before, if you remember. Try to order the information included in this text, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll order the information in order to check your answers. Yes, here we have Jabal Shams and Jabal Akhdar are two famous mountains in Oman. This is the topic sentence, and it is done for you. Then we have Jabal Shams location. This is number 2. Here we have interesting facts about Jabal Shams. This is number 3. Here we have Jabal Akhdar's location. 4. Then we have interesting facts about Jabal Akhdar. 5. Then we have Jabal Shams height. This is number 6. And here we have Jabal Akhdar's height. 7. And we have the concluding sentence, number 8. Thank you. Let's go to page 29. Activity 4. Speak. Look at the information about your river, building, or waterfall. Discuss it with a partner. You will be given a fact file, and you are asked to look at the information, then discuss it with your partner. I'll show you the fact files your teacher may give you. Yes, wonderful places fact file. This is about rivers. Rivers in Africa, the Nile. Rivers in Africa, the Congo. Length, location, interesting facts. And you are asked to look at the information and discuss it with your partner. And here we have a fact file about building in Asia, the Burj Khalifa, and another building in Asia, the Shanghai Tower. Height, location, interesting facts. Also, you are asked to look at the information and discuss it with your partner. And here we have a fact file about waterfalls in South America, Angel Falls and Gokta Falls. Height, location, interesting facts. You are asked to look at the information and discuss it with your partner. You can stop watching the video and look at the information carefully in order to do activity 5 and activity 6. Choose any fact file and write about it. Let's look at activity 5. Think and write. Write sentences about the rivers, buildings, or waterfalls you selected. Location, height, meter, length, kilometer, interesting facts. A sentence comparing the two things. You can choose a fact file and try to write sentences about it here. Again, I'll show you the fact files. I'll choose this fact file to write about the Nile and the Congo. Yes, here, location, the Nile is in Egypt and other African countries. The Congo is in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Angola. Okay, I write here. The Congo is in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Angola. Height, the Nile is 6,670 kilometers. The Congo is 4,703 kilometers. (4,703 kilometers). Yes, interesting facts. Number one, I can say the Nile is the longest river in Africa. Many tourists visit it. And you can write more sentences. If we look at the fact file, we will find many sentences. You can write them here. Look here, interesting facts. Longest river in Africa. Many tourists visit it. You can take a cruise on the river. Crocodiles and hippos live in the river. And here, the Congo. Second longest river in Africa. Deepest river in the world. 686 types of fish live in the river. We can write these sentences. Yes, the Congo is the second longest river in Africa, and it is the deepest river in the world. It is the deepest river in the world. And you can write more sentences. A sentence comparing the two things. Yes, I can say the Nile is longer than the Congo. And I can say the Congo is deeper than The Nile, because it is the deepest river in the world. You can choose any fact file and try to write sentences here. Activity 6. Write an informative text about your rivers, buildings, or waterfalls. You are asked here to put your sentences from this activity, these sentences, together to form a paragraph like the one in activity 2, like this one about Jabal Shams and Jabal Aghdar. Yeah? You are asked to do this task at home. Try to write a correct paragraph. Okay? Imitate the paragraph in activity 2 using your own sentences from activity 5. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. Goodbye.